Hey, what's up, wing holder brothers? What's going on, my sweet brothers? What's going on? I hope you are well. Today, I have two good news. One good news is very special, and I announce in this video. So, the one's will about wing coin to what's going on and what's good time is coming. So, this is special news. I announced this video and this video, okay? And the second one to wing is gone and the moon. This is moon time, guys. Wing is very fastly growing up. So everything discussed and this video about wing. Keep watch this video, my brother. Wing as a celebration time. Wing holder, this is celebration time. Every cryptocurrencies as goes down, and also this time also wing goes down. What we do in this critical situation and which type of time is coming. So everything is in this video, but let's get started this live price prediction of a wing coin. But before I get started this video, bro, friends, please subscribe this channel. I hope you subscribe it, my brother, my sweet brother. I updating you every good news or bad news of all cryptocurrencies. So hope you subscribe it. Please subscribe it. Okay, guys, come to the point. If you can see here the chart of a wing coin as 10.33% going down. Be focused on these changes. Be focused, my friends, holders. Be focused, which I talk you. Please, this is very important if you are a holder of a wing. If you are not holder, otherwise skip this video is not for you. Please, totally you waste your time if you are not holder. Okay, so this is just I make for holders. This time you can see here the latest price. The latest price is 0.001667 US dollar. Can you remember this? Remember this price, okay? This is the last 24-hour latest result you can see here, and you can see here the BTC absolutely market cap also goes down. And one thing I said this time, the market cap, crypto market cap is 10 US dollar, 10 billion US dollar goes down. Can you know about this? 10 billion US dollar goes down, guys. I already posted in my channel about this. If you are my subscriber, if you subscribe this channel, then then I notify you, okay? So guys, this time if you can see here the market cap, this keep focus this, okay? The market cap is a very back change, 10.01% they going down. Market cap is going down, and every cryptocurrency as goes down, and full crypto market cap is lost, as in the lost. And the main cryptocurrencies which lost, and it's on Bitcoin and Stormx and Bitcoin. These two cryptocurrencies very fastly goes down. So this time wing coin holder, what we do in this critical situation, everyone understand what we do if the market cap is going down, if the all our volume is going down, wing coin the price is going down. What we do, we can everybody no one, this does not want to lost. Everybody does not want to lost. So what we do, I explain you, okay, brother. If you are sell this time, then of course you are in the lost. Everybody understand? Can you understand what I say? If you are sell this time, then you are totally in the lost. So don't sell it. No option to you sell it. So please understand this. What I tell you, cannot you sell it at this time, because this is in the losting, totally in the losting. Every cryptocurrency losting. So this is also wing is also goes in the loss. So guys, I suggest you to please wait for a good time. This is cannot selling time. Of course, this is buying time. Of course, if you have any plan to buy more, then I think this is good time to you buy it. And I hope in upcoming days they go like a rocket. This is and the moon. The future is in bright. Everybody understand this is very fastest cryptocurrencies. But in those days, if Bitcoin is going down, if Stormx is goes down, then what's wing? Okay, what's wing? Every cryptocurrency is going to I am a 9 cryptocurrencies holder, and my 5 cryptocurrencies is totally in the lost in this time. So wing holder, please don't sell it, hold it, and wait for the end of month. I hope they make you millionaire, they give you a good profit, and the future is bright. So please don't waste your time to you just sell it, okay? Please don't sell it, and buy it and hold it and wait for the end of month. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, Please click the subscribe button for latest videos and updates. I hope this video is helpful for you. Allah Hafiz, take care.